Hello, my name is David Bailey of Bailey Bee Supply. We're getting our bees ready for winter. I want to show you how to put on a mouse guard. These are adjustable, so it'll fit an 8-frame or 10-frame hive. All you need is one screw, a drill, or screwdriver, a couple hive tools to take out. It's easier to take out your entrance reducer with 2 hive tools. So we're going to smoke them and let them know that we're coming in, knocking on the door. And I want to lift up the box, just kind of fish out my hive tool. Fish out my entrance reducer with my hive tool. And then we'll take and adjust this, open it up, get our screw and our drill. And that's all it is. And that hive mouse can't get in it. So come see us. We got plenty of mouse guards. Have a blessed day.